Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a super easy way to turn an old boring chair into a colorful work of art. So you want to start by washing down your chair to make sure that it's got a nice clean surface for everything to adhere to. This has been sitting out in the barn for a while, so it's quite dirty. And while that's drying, you want to get yourself some duct tape. I have a lot of miscellaneous rolls from previous projects that I'm going to be using here. And so I'm going to start with the tie-dye because it's my favorite. And just want to roll a piece out across the seat of the chair and smooth it down so everything's connected. And then you want to cut it with a pair of scissors so that you get a nice clean edge. You really want to cut it, not rip it. And then you just want to take that edge and stick it right underneath the lip of the seat of the chair. You do the same thing on the back side as well, just following the lines of the chair. And then you'll just keep doing that with whatever your chosen duct tape is, going all the way across, overlapping each layer just a little bit until you get almost to the edges. And on the edges, you want to take a piece of tape and do it perpendicular to the others. And then you just wrap that around the edge as well. And you go all the way down, wrapping perpendicular pieces of tape. And when you get to the end, if your chair is curved like mine, you just cut a little slit in the center of the piece of tape, and then you fold the two edges over each other. That'll allow it to go around a curve. Make everything nice and smooth. And so then it looks a little silly with all these little pieces of tape here. So what you want to do is just take another long piece of tape and go all the way down it. And then once again, if you have a curve, just clip a little slit in the middle. And then fold the pieces right up around it. And then fold it around the lip as well. So here it is with the entire seat covered in the tie-dye duct tape. And then I covered the backboard in the tie-dye as well. And because the backboard is curved, again I had to cut a slit in the center and then fold the two pieces down separately. And then eventually I just went over the slits with more duct tape to make the entire thing covered. And then I had enough to do the front and back cross pieces on the legs before I ran out of duct tape. And when you run out, save it because you can use it for the Iron Man arc reactor too. And so then I took some bright yellow and I put that on the front under the seat, and that covers up all the edges from the previous tie-dye that got folded under the seat. I did the yellow on all four sides under the seat, and then I did the remaining two bottom cross pieces in red. And then I finished it by doing all the legs in black because it really sets off the colors. So I hope that this inspires you to make your own psychedelic chair, whatever print that you choose, and be sure to leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite print of duct tape is.